Welcome to the Smart Maker Workshop channel. Today I invite you to watch a video in which we will take a look at several available AI tools for creating 3D models. We'll discuss the technology itself, as well as its limitations and possibilities. Now make sure to click subscribe and hit the bell icon below the video, and let's get started. Before we move on to examples of advanced AI technology applications, it's important to highlight certain aspects that are relevant for anyone looking to apply AI in 3D printing. First and foremost, it's essential to realize that almost all AI tools designed for generating 3D shapes or objects were created for generating models used in video games or animations. In these cases, the accuracy of the model in relation to the base graphics is not as important, because the model is covered with textures that create the illusion of shading, indentations, or folds, which are indistinguishable when the character moves. The situation is completely different when generating models for static use. Here, every element of clothing, belt, or wavy hair needs to be accurately modeled. AI tools used for games or animations can be tried for 3D printing models, but they will almost always require knowledge of programs like Blender or 3ds Max for modeling. We mention them briefly to let you know such tools exist and that they can be used, for example, to generate architectural elements or infrastructure for use in models or dioramas. You'll find links to these tools in the description. If you'd like us to go more in depth on how to use these programs, just let us know in the comments below the video. There is a solution that allows for generating highly detailed models suitable for printing. It is a dedicated tool that produces really great results. The solution is Image, a 3D model from the MakerWorld platform. The models we've been able to generate are on a completely different level of detail than what can be achieved with the previously mentioned tools for games and animation. This software was created with 3D printers in mind and focuses on scanning as many details as possible. Let's start by preparing an image that will serve as our base for generating the model. We'll use another AI program that allows us to create an image of our 3D character. You'll find the link to Deep AI in the description. Once you open the page, click on Image Generator. Here we need to enter what we want to generate. We'll write, a girl in Pixar style, blue pants, long black hair, red t-shirt, full character. We'll set the options to HD and quality, then press Generate. You can repeat the image generation process several times to get different options and choose the one that best matches your vision of the model. Download the image to your computer. Now go to the MakerWorld website, then navigate to the Maker Lab section. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see experimental projects. Choose Image to the Model, that is converting an image to a 3D model. Press the plus icon and select the image you just downloaded. Press Generate. The model will be generated in a relatively short amount of time. The progress information will be visible on the screen, and that's it. We get a very well-detailed model with a lot of details. Clearly visible when we turn off the texture in the preview. Now just download the model by pressing Export. This tool, like most AI tools, is based on credits. Right now, 2 credits are being used, but only during the export process, which is exceptional in a positive sense. Other tools charge credits for generating models, previews, and even minor modifications. The downloaded OBJ file can be opened in any slicer software, but it's worth adding a base to it. You can do that in Fusion, which also supports OBJ files. Now all that's left is to prepare the model for printing. We've done some test prints of previously prepared models, which definitely wouldn't have been possible without AI technology. We can't model in programs like 3ds Max or Blender, and until now, such programs were the only way to create figurine models. Let us know in the comments what you think about this technology. How would you like to use it? We would appreciate your feedback. Do you want more AI-related content on our channel? Let us know in the comments under the video. Remember to subscribe and click the bell. A new channel in the YouTube space really needs it. Thank you for your time and see you soon.